we're going to talk about mortgages. Anytime I talk about mortgages and mention mortgage rates, I need to disclose my MLO number. My name is Dan Keller. I'm a mortgage advisor with New American Funding. My MLO number is 115349. But this is important. Coupled with what Christian's saying in regards to the housing market getting more healthy, we're back down to historic low interest rates. Rates are down in the low to mid threes. And it's really important to understand the why behind that and what to expect next. So basically what's causing that is the negative news. Obviously what kicked it off was the negative news out of Britain, the European Union, and Brexit. What has happened since then is there's been a realization that our economy in the United States is not where it needs to be. GDP is down. We've got the Fed chairwoman that's come out and basically said we're not in a position right now to raise the Fed funds rate again. And then recently we've got retail sales that are down. The PPI report that came out the other day basically gave no indication of inflation. What all these mean, these indicators lead to lower cost of money, okay? In the meantime, that means mortgage interest rates are going to stay low. Great news for home buyers, great news for the housing market. However, here's what's poor about all of this. You've got all the big banks locally. You've all these people that own homes that have 4% higher rates. Everybody's trying to refinance right now. It's killing the housing market in regards to turn times. So typically, I could close a transaction in 15 to 20 days with a couple of rushes, no problem. I did a lot for you.
We were doing that all year long.
You know what?
Up till about a month ago.
Yeah, up until about a month ago. I've told Christian and some of my top agents, my 15-day closes, 30 days is now the new 15. And that's even pushing it, which is crazy. So I'm quoting my agents and my clients right now, plan on from mutual acceptance to closing being 30 to 40 days. And that's us. And you know how organized and efficient we are.
Yeah, you're kicking butt on that. You're working hard.
Yeah.
It's not like you're being lazy.
No.
We're waiting on appraisals to come back.
Appraisers are taking anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks to get reports back now. And this is in Seattle where you're not having to drive, where there's a surplus of appraisers. So it's important for you to understand that. Rates are down. I've said this before. If you have an interest rate over 4% or you're paying private mortgage insurance or you maybe need to draw some money out of your equity, now's a good time to take advantage of low rates and long-term savings. And other than that, thanks for your commentary on the market, man. It's crazy.